Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. I did not mention this, but my last small order that I made, I remembered to buy the basic white. So today is going to be a comparison between the basic white and the whisper white. First, I have like 4 packages of whisper white, so the whisper white is going to still be around for a while for me. We have 2 packages. The packaging looks almost identical between the two, just the size is different. The label is, this particular label is probably 3 years old, I would say, and the new label looks very similar. I have 1 sheet of each, and I'm wanting to do this in the light, the natural light, so you can see the differences in the color. The one with the W is the whisper white, the one with the B is the basic white. And on the big, oversized, the 8.5 by 11s that is, you can't really see a big difference. So then I have my scale, and I'm going to weigh them. They feel as smooth, both feel equally as smooth, and they even feel the same weight to me. But let's let the scale, this is just a kitchen scale and I use it for mailing my cards and doing pricing and stuff, so I have it on ounces. 0.5 ounces for the B, which is basic, and 0.5 ounces for the W, which is the whisper white. So they weigh the same, they feel the same. Now let's do a quick look test while I have some sun. Looking at them in this particular light, I'm looking through the camera too, so I can see. You can definitely tell that the whisper white has a lot more cream in it than the basic white. Now I have taken and cut the size that I cut all my cardstock down to and store it right here beside me to work with. Is A2 size, 4.25 by 5.5. And I have a little B and a little W. And you can still, with the smaller pieces, no matter which way you have them in the sunlight, you can tell that the basic white is less creamy. All right, third test. I grabbed a piece of cardstock. I am looking for it now. I found it. Okay, this white, I don't really need the label because the back is colored. This is from this month's Paper Pumpkin, and for me, I do paper pumpkins every month, and I always have to deal with this white being a much cooler white, way less creamy. So here is the color differences between a Paper Pumpkin white card base and whisper white. Now I'm going to take basic and I'm going to introduce it. So you can see that between the 3, they are all 3 very different. The Paper Pumpkin white is a very gray white. I think of the basic white as like a crisp white, maybe even a blue white, you could say, and then the whisper white is creamy. If I take the whisper white away and I just have these 2 whites, there is still a difference, but I suspect when you put this grayish white against the white in little cutouts or maybe labels, it's not going to be as obviously different against the basic white as the whisper white. So that concludes this just a quick video starting the analysis. What I plan to do this week is do some tests. Each day I'm going to do tests, and I will post them, and then I have projects to share. So that's going to be my plan. This is the kickoff for the week. And I will say that the products that I chose to use are coloring products because I love to color. So I'm going to test out blends. I will test out colored pencils. And then the particular set that I chose just came with the basic white. And I got them specifically to be able to talk about them while I test out the new basic white. So let me know what you think. If you can, I haven't filmed the other two yet. I will get this posted on Monday. We are actually moving Monday up to home area to get prepared for the next long trek. We just finished up 5.5 months at the ocean, so things will be a little bit hectic during the week as we're just getting home and starting to work on our tasks that we need to complete to get ready for another long journey that's going to begin in June. I'm very excited about that, and I will talk more about it as we get closer to it. But if you have anything specific you would like me to do as a test, please leave a comment on this video, and I will add it to the later videos as they finish them up this week. So again, leave your questions, possible tests that you would like to see me do in the comments. Any other questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them there. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.